Welcome back, Flourish Fielders. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Thank God it's Friday and we're still on the dance project. So now let's continue. You need to get back to your dashboard. So when you get to your dashboard, in case you don't know how to get to your dashboard, click on the link above. It shows you how to sign in with Google and then how to get to your dashboard. Okay. So when you get to your dashboard, you scroll down. That's a normal step to what? My project. And don't forget that in the previous video, we actually created our dancers and our background. So now let's continue with that. Remember, we saved it as what? Dance project. So click on dance project so that we can continue with what we have started. So let me show you what we have actually created in the previous video. So let's play it again. Thank you. That was what we created in the previous video. So now this time we want to add some moves. And then I'm going to be more particular about the moves. But please, we need to be creative right here. You can actually, look at the kind of song you want to pick and then the moves that you want to pick also. So I'll just show you how to do that. And then I want you to create your dance project. And after you're done, you can actually share it. Share it on the comment section. I'll be glad to see what you have actually come up with. Do you understand? All right, let's go. So now let's add something. The music is playing in the background. We have our backup dancers. So what else do we want to do? We want to now start moves. But I need you to take note of the measures right there, the count. So I need you to take note of that. Let me play it again so I take note of that. All right, so that's the measures, is counting. So we need to tell when the dancers will move. So click on dancers. To get that, you click on events. And then you come to this place saying what? Repeat every 4 measures. All right, so you drag that on out. So that is at the count of 4, we want a change in move. All right, so how do we change the move? You come back to dancers and then you pick what? All do clap over forever. That's a continuous thing. So you drag that and you join that into the loop. So this time around, we're not doing clap over. I want to pick something else. Let me pick fresh because we're fresh. At Flourish Field, we're fresh. So picking fresh. I don't know how fresh looks like, but that's what we want to pick. All right, now, so let's run this now and see what our sprite would do. Let's make this bigger. And now let's run this, Is that a fun? Now, at the count of 4, they did that. Wow. All right, now, so there's something more we can do, right? So let's repeat the same step at 4 measures, but this time around it will be at 8 measures. And we want it to do another thing, right? So now what do we want our dancers to do? So you say what? All do. Now we are changing it from clap over to push on this or that. Let's say this or that. All right, that's it right there. So now let's run our code again and see what we come up with. So at the count of 4, it's going to do this. So at the count of 8, it's going to do this or that. Now let's check that again and see. You can pause the video and try that by yourself before you continue, okay? All right, let's check. Right, so it's becoming fun now, but I feel that we need to reduce the measures so that we can start seeing those moves, right? So let's change it to 2, 4, because we want different moves. So now the next one will be what? The next one would be 6. Am I correct? So 6. Let's create a lot so that we have different moves. Go back to event again, and then you create what? 8. Go again to events. Let's stop at 12. 10. And then the last one would be what? 12. So we can actually do those moves together. So that's the dance. Okay. So now what do we want them to do? Go back to pattern. This time around, drag. We don't want the clap over. Let's change something else. Gangnam. I don't know what that is, but at least we're trying that. And then we're going to go again. We want changes to do the floors. And let's try the zombie. I don't know how zombie looks like actually. I don't know how that would work. All right, so the next one would be clap over. Let's do the clap over also. And then the last one would be if you think that is too much, you can reduce. You can take out some of them, okay? We're gonna peak down the. So now let's run this code now. I would leave it for a while so that we can actually enjoy. So let's go again.
Jerusalema, ikayalami, ngilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana, Jerusalema.
I'm already dancing. I don't know about you. Are you dancing? So that's it. If you feel there's a move that you don't like, you can actually remove and then add one or two moves. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. I want you to watch out for the next video. It's still going to be on this dance project. We want it to go a bit complex, but we're going to start simple. All right. So please stay tuned. If you love this video, click on the like button, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel, and I promise you, greater stuff are still coming. I repeat, greater stuff are still coming. But until then, stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.